ready? It's Stonegone. Lisa Cloud. Tohodifkado. My name is Lisa Cloud. Bristow Futson. Legedo. Izuagidoe. I'm a deer clan. Tuskit. Harley Roberts, Dumans. Tuskit. Elizabeth Roberts. My daddy was Harley Roberts. My mother was Elizabeth Roberts. I was born in Okima Futson, Zahid Skadido. I was born in Okima, Oklahoma. I used to Migos up when I had just get Migos up when I don't. It's gonna go down bigger. Azakabi Dumans. My daddy was a preacher. We used to go to church with him. Wherever he goes, we would go with him. He'd be Nita Yumuski stairs and Abi Yandun. Sisiezi Yandun. Ademi Nokti Katin, Sisiezi Yandun. Kugi Kalitze and Magandun. Ademi Nokti Kid. He would tell us to stay in a car till he light the lamp for us because it was dark. So we would sit in the car till he told us to come in. The Stewie stays for lead on. We tank for what's it as. We lead go, we walk, hold the bell. Make us up because they walk, we'll lead on. When I was Zola Lido in New York in the Baptist church. I went to New York with my dad. We'd go to church everywhere. We would come back home late at night. It would be dark. He would say, y'all stay in the car till I light the lamp, then y'all can come on in. Mahagazago. I'll say done. 8th grade, sister yet. My sister, yo, Sequoia Indians, Manayat, sister yet. I went to Sunrise Great School, finished there, 8th grade. Then I went to Sequoia, finished there. Then I went to Lawrence, Kansas. My nun boss, Daniel Cloud. Abakan, Bristow Futson, Ade Dumats, Alakan, Wanda Bogi, Pidagi, on Oster, on his egin. We had 4 kids, me and Daniel. Umaga, Azulakan. Songi too much Daniel. Pidagi. Osinozi. Umagan, Agadizagat, Mahagazabos, Boyakin. We had 4 kids. They all finished high school, then they went on their own way. I guess that's it.